Do you want to know how to get free Robux with Microsoft Rewards without any scams or shady sites? Different kinds of stuff by using Microsoft Rewards. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to earn free Robux step by step just by doing simple daily tasks. So let's dive in. First, on your browser, search Microsoft Rewards. You can use any browser, but I'm using Microsoft Edge. Then sign in or create a Microsoft account to get started. Once you're in, start with the daily set of tasks. These are super easy. Just click, complete, and earn. For example, clicking a task gets you 10 points instantly. Complete daily tasks to build your streak. And over time, you'll earn bonus points. Now to redeem, click on Redeem. Then in the search box, search Roblox. You'll see a Roblox digital gift card. The minimum is just 6,000 points for 400 Robux. As I don't have that many points, I can't redeem it. But by daily earning points, you'll be able to redeem it. And that's how you can get free Robux using Microsoft Rewards. No hacks, no tricks, just real rewards. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.